Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I'm Yusuf. I welcome you all in 5 minutes information channel. This is episode number 119, ISBN part 2. In this episode, I will talk about the ISBN. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. This video, I will talk about the 5 main points about ISBN. Number 1, what is ISBN? Number 2, does the ISBN same for the each edition like printed and electronic version? Number 3, where does an author or publisher get ISBN? Number 4, what are the characteristics of ISBN? And number 5, what are the functions of ISBN? Point number 1, I'm just recalling the definition of ISBN, which is discussed in earlier episode. ISBN is a stand for the International Standard Book Number, and it is a unique identifying number for a book. This is the 13-digit number to find the book. Number 2, does the ISBN same for the each version like printed version and electronic version? The ISBN is a separate number for each edition as well as for the electronic version of the same book and the printed version of the same book. The e-books or electronic version of the book given as a e-ISBN, which is known as a electronic ISBN. Point number 3, where does an author or publisher get ISBN? ISBN issuance is a country specific in that ISBNs are issued by ISBN registration agency that is responsible for the country or territory regardless of the publication language. In most cases, National Library of the country are the responsible for the issuance of ISBN. However, in some countries have also separate ISBN agency for the assigning ISBN number to the manuscript and books. Point number 4, what are the characteristics of ISBN? There are 4 characteristics of ISBN. Number 1, international uniqueness. Number 2, identification of book. Number 3, verification characteristics. Number 4, ISO standardization. Come to the point number 1, international uniqueness. The ISBN is a unique international identifier for monograph publication. Assigning a number replaces handling of long bibliographic descriptive records. It is a tool for saving time of staff and cost, reducing the copying error and duplication of the book. Number 2, identification. Correct use of ISBN allows different product forms and edition of a book, whether printed or electronic, to be clearly differentiate, ensuring that customer receive the right copy which they are demand. The ISBN is a machine readable code in forms of 13-digit EAN barcode. The accumulation of publisher and bookseller sell data is done by the ISBN. This enables the varying success of different product forms and edition of publication to be monitored, as well as enabling comparison between two different subject areas and even different publishing houses. ISBN does not provide any form of legal or copyright protection. However, in some countries, legally required to use ISBN to identify the publication. The ISBN cannot be duplicate number of the two books. Point number 4, ISO standardization. ISBN has ISO standardization and 13-digit EN barcode. This is fast and avoid mistakes. Many publishing and supply chain system are based on ISBN. In publishing house and book trade industry, books are identified through ISBN rather than real title. Point number 5. What are the functions of ISBN? There are three main functions of ISBN. Number 1, searching of books. Number 2, purchasing of books. And number 3, cataloging of books. Number 1, purchasing of books. The ISBN facilitate a compilation and updating of book trade directories and bibliographic database such as catalog of books in print. Information on available books can be found easily. And most of the library automation system have a searching tool and option to search the book through the ISBN number. But 2, purchasing of books. Ordering and distribution of books is mainly executed by ISBN. This is the fastest and efficient method. Most of libraries and individuals order their books through ISBN and verify their orders through the checking of ISBN number. The ISBN is required for the running of electronic point of sale system in a bookshop. Point number 3, cataloging of books. ISBN is one of the important field in the cataloging tags lab and library automation program. Libraries can search books for the respective user and brief the book's status and matching of the exact title. Here I conclude the episode number 119. In this episode, I discuss 5 main points about the ISBN. Just provide a brief introduction about the ISBN and does the printed books and the electronic books have the same ISBN? Where does a author or publisher can get the ISBN? What are the characteristics of ISBN? And the last point, what are the function of ISBN? I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative episode.